Making gourmet food doesn't have to be complicated. In today's episode of Food Basics Reinvented, I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious shrimp cocktail dish that will surprise you with amazing flavors in every bite you take. To cook the shrimp, we're gonna dump some cut vegetables and spices all together in a medium-sized stock pot and let those vegetables and spices infuse their flavors into the shrimp. Roughly chop 1 green bell pepper and add to the stock pot. Then add about 15 baby carrots, or just chop a couple of carrots if you have whole carrots. Roughly chop 2 celery sticks and add to the pot, followed by a chopped medium-sized tomato and a medium-sized onion. Chop 2 cloves of garlic and then add 3 chopped Thai red chili peppers with the seeds for some heat. These Thai red chili peppers are super important in this recipe because if you don't use them, the shrimp will be bland. If you like your dish to be spicy, add 10 of these and you will get what I consider a medium spicy shrimp. Now add a couple of bay leaves, followed by half teaspoon cinnamon, half teaspoon dried rosemary, 3 cardamom pods, and then place the cleaned and deveined shrimp on top. Add a drizzle of corn oil and season with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Now squeeze 1 lemon and give everything a good mix until all ingredients are combined and the shrimps are buried in the vegetables. Without adding any liquids, close the lid and place the stock pot on medium heat for about 2 minutes and then lower the heat and cook the shrimp for 25 minutes. Turn the shrimp and vegetables mix a couple of times in the middle so all shrimps cook evenly. During these 25 minutes, the vegetables will absorb the fishy smells from the shrimp, and the flavor notes from the vegetables and spices will steep into the shrimp, cook it to perfection, and make every bite very interesting. To complement the flavor of this amazing dish, we're gonna craft a shrimp sauce that is so simple and delicious at the same time. In a small ramekin, add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and mix. This shrimp sauce will taste perfect and will not require you to add any kind of seasoning because all ingredients are already seasoned out of the bottle. Give the sauce a quick taste. And yes, it is perfect because it was made by combining 3 ingredients that are delicious even before they are mixed. To make the dish even more interesting, we're gonna butter and toast some multigrain bread to create a beautiful and delicious side. Start by cutting 1-inch thick slice of bread. Remove the crust to allow the butter cover the full surface of the bread. When the bread is toasted, the butter will caramelize and turn the bread into a crunchy, delicious side for this amazing dish. Brush the bread with some softened butter from all sides and season with some sea salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. In a medium-sized fry pan, on medium heat, add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Heat the pan until the oil starts smoking, then toast the bread on all sides. If you put the bread in the pan before it gets hot, the bread will absorb the oil and will turn soggy, greasy, and ew, not crunchy. Flip using a kitchen tongs until the 4 sides get a beautiful color and a nice crunch. By the time you finish the shrimp sauce and the crunchy bread, the shrimp should have been fully cooked and ready for serving. Use a pair of kitchen tongs and pick the shrimps from the stock pot. Give them a couple of minutes to cool down and then use scissors to remove the shell if you don't prefer eating them. Leave the tails in and they will make your dish look outstanding. I have cooked here 6 jumbo shrimps and they are enough for making 2 shrimp dishes. But if you're making food for a larger group of people, just add up to 20 shrimps in the pot and they will cook perfectly without adding any more vegetables. Just add a little extra seasoning and you should be good to go. Use a small paring knife and cut the rough ends of the shrimps. Then eat them all up secretly before anyone sees you. If they catch you, you can simply say, "The chef had to quality check every single shrimp before it goes on your plate." Now that everything is ready, you can start assembling the dish. Place 1 shrimp on its side in the middle, then use it to support another one vertically. Then finally place the 3rd shrimp on top. Now add 3 drops of the shrimp sauce on the side and then place the crunchy toasted bread on the other side. To add some zesty flavor and make this dish even prettier, add some lemon zest on the shrimp and then cut a cherry tomato in half and place on the dish. Chop some fresh parsley, sprinkle on the plate and finally add a wedge of lemon. And here you have it, a gourmet, vegetable-infused, beautifully spiced shrimp dish served with buttery and crunchy multi-grain bread and a delicious shrimp sauce. I hope you like this episode. Please try this recipe and tell me your opinion in the comments below or on Food Basics Reinvented Facebook and Instagram pages. Please subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bon appétit!